Hey guys, today we're going to talk about sales funnels. Ugh, I hate this one. But what is a sales funnel? Now, a sales funnel basically refers to the customer's journey. So from the point where they find out about your brand to the point where they buy something. So I'll give you an example of a sales funnel. Let's say somebody finds an advert on Facebook, how to do better marketing. You can click here for a free PDF. So what they do is they click and they go to the website. And what they find on the website is they find a little contact form, which basically is a subscribe form to an email newsletter. And if they hit the subscribe button and they enter their details go through to the database, they become a subscriber. Now, once they're a subscriber, they get an email which gives them their free PDF, which will teach them all the cool marketing stuff, like I'm hopefully teaching you here. And basically, they will think, oh, this is really, really good. Now, this is a sick part of what salespeople do, because what this does is this breeds reciprocity. And if that PDF is really, really good value, what will happen is they will eventually move on and they will buy a product, say for example a book, they'll buy a course, something like that. So exactly what we're getting here for free. Ain't that nice? But basically that's the customer journey. So it's the process of getting somebody from finding out about your product all the way through to the end and selling them the product or the service. Anyway, you have a lovely day. Hope this video has been helpful. If it's been helpful, give me a subscribe, give me a like, tell me I'm going prematurely bald, tell me I'll never get married, tell me no one will ever love me. I always appreciate these kind of comments. I get a lot of them on my other channel. Anyway, you have a lovely day. Bye.